Demonstration on acid, bases and salts. Prepare all the chemicals into solution state by mixing with water. By adding salt, that is sodium chloride, into water, making it as a solution. Squeeze out the citrus acid present in lemon into the water. Add some soap base into the water. So now, salt solution acts as a salt and lime water solution acts as an acid and soap base solution acts as a base. Now, let us identify which substance is acid, base and salt. Blue litmus as an indicator for acid, bases and salt. Blue litmus paper does not show any effect on salt solution. Blue litmus paper, when dipped in lime water solution, turns into red because lime water is an acid. When blue litmus paper is dipped in soap base solution, it does not change its color. It remains blue. Red litmus as indicator for acid, bases and salt. Red litmus paper, when dipped in salt solution, does not change its color, indicating that it is a salt. Red litmus paper, when dipped in lime water solution, does not change its color because it changes blue litmus into red, indicating that it is an acid. Red litmus paper, when dipped in soap base solution, turns into blue, indicating that soap base is a base. On making the solution concentrated, red litmus paper starts turning into blue. Indicating that it is a base. Turmeric as an indicator for acid, bases and salt. Turmeric is an indicator that only changes color when added to base and does not change color when added to lime water solution and salt solution. On adding turmeric to soap base solution, the color changes into reddish orange. On adding turmeric solution to lime water solution, the color remains yellow as the color of turmeric being yellow. On adding turmeric solution to salt water solution, the color remains yellow.